This is Professor Jane Ryanwater, and this is part 2 of Week 2, Assignment 2, Tutorial in Illustrator. Okay, so now I'm just going to adjust this outer box because it seems a little big according to this figure here. So I'm just going to grab the handles and simply move the boxes in, like that. This top one looks a little big. So the next part is to draw these 3 circles on the inside. So I'm going back to my ellipse tool, click on it, click here. I'm going to make that circle 1 by 1 inch just like the other ones. And I have the first circle. And now I'm going to position this as it's shown in the diagram at the left. I'm going to drag off a copy and put it in the other position, the right-hand position, and drag off another copy, and I have my third position. Now you notice all of this is in outline, which is very important. I'm going to move that one down a little bit, and so now it looks like this diagram. Next, I'm going to make a live paint object of our entire diagram so that we can make these fills. So you will take your black selection arrow, marquee by clicking and holding down, going to Object, Live Paint, Make. So now you can tell this is a live paint object by the difference in these little handles. So the next thing we're going to do is get our paint bucket tool set up so that we can make the fills like they're shown on the diagram. So the first thing I want to do is change my fill color. I'm going to go over here to Window and I'm going to choose Color. And I'm going to click on the front, which is the fill color, and make it black. I'm going to go in the outline and I'm going to make it None. So now if you look over here, you can see the setup. Now I'm going to get my paint bucket tool and I can simply go ahead and click on these areas and now they're all filled, and voila! That's how you make the example, at least, from Week 2, Assignment 2. Of course, you'll be making your own designs, but this little tutorial, I hope, can help you draw it in Illustrator. Okay, so now my assignment is ready to go, and I need to first save it. And I'll choose Save, and I'll call it Week 2. Number 2 drawing. And I will file it. Click OK. Next, I need to make this a JPEG. So I'm going to go over here to File. I'm going to go over here to File, and I'm going to choose Export. And you'll see that it automatically defaults to PNG. You want to make sure you change this to JPEG and export it and save it in the same spot. You can give this a medium and click OK. So now you're ready to take the JPEG you made and attach it to your posting. I look forward to seeing all of your designs.